Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off news and permissions on your Duolingo app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so just go down, you click here on your photo here or your avatar, click on it down here. So then it's going to take you here to your profile. Then you just go above this sign settings here in app. So click on this sign settings, then it's going to take you here in this list. Then you keep going down here. So then you come here to news and promotions here. So for email, and here for phone, and here for email. So you click on phone and email here. So and like you see color, it's gone. That's menus and promotions, it's on off now. Then you go up, you click here on save. So it's going to save video on your Duolingo app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.